Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Julie Ben, right? Yeah, I'm currently in my school anyway. Or let me just call it, this is Julie Ben Block Construction Industry. All right, that's by the way, that was on a lighter note. I'm currently in my school right now, and I am actually preparing a small office for students and as well as parents to welcome them. So in the construction process, we are at the molding stage, block molding stage. So briefly, I'm going to teach you how to go about the molding of the blocks. The molding of the blocks is not really a big deal, but what is involved is first, you need a quantity of sand, you need an amount of cement, and you also need a quantity or a calculated amount of water. So once you have this in place, then you can mold your blocks effectively. So first, what quantity of sand, what quantity of cement, what quantity of water do you need? Simple. First, you need 5 wheelbarrow full of sand, and the 5 wheelbarrow full of sand will require 1 bag of cement, and that 1 bag of cement is what is required to mix 5 wheelbarrow full of sand. And then also, you will need a calculated amount of water, a calculated amount of water, roughly 100 US gallon of water is what you need to mix this 5 wheelbarrow of sand. And of course, the mixing process is not once, it's done within procedures, but I can't show you that on this video because it's going to take quite a long period of time. So first, once you're able to do that and you're done with the mixing, the next thing is the molding stage, which I'm going to show you right away. All right, so next is to load. All right, so next, that's pretty right. Just a little. Then once you're done doing this, the next thing is boom, and your block is set. Ta-da! So basically, that's the procedure involved, and you have to repeat it over and over again to be able to do all these blocks you see here. All right, thank you for watching. Let's see, this one call high. What's this one? Boom. So at this stage, the molding is complete. What we have here is about 512 blocks, so thereabout. But it's over 500 blocks. Over 500 blocks. All right. So just in case you want to see around, this is Quintessence Tutorials. Yes, that's Julie Ben School, and we are just here to start the construction process. However, let me show you what the detail of the plan for construction is all about. Boom. All right. So first, this is a mini job. First, this is not the work of an architect. It's a layman's job, just to represent what an architect is supposed to do before he starts drawing. So I quickly draft out this. So first, this is the job. All right, so back to what we're saying. So this is the layman's view of what an architect will do. So first, what you have here is the breadth, the length, or let me just say the wideness, okay? So it's about 23 feet. What is here is 9 feet tall, and then each door is going to be 7 feet by 3 feet. And then this is the front view. Then this is the side view. This side view has just one window. Of course, the height is 9 feet, the width is 10 feet, and then you have 8 feet at the back. And then you have the window positioned at 4 feet above the ground level, and the window is 3 feet square. And then we go to the back view. The back view actually is of the same distance, of course, which is 23 by 9. And then what you have here is the door, which is one door will be at the back. That's the secretary's door. And that will be 7 feet by 3 feet. And then you also have a window for this CBT center. That is this window here. And this window is going to be 3 feet square, 4 feet above the ground level. And then that takes us to the entrance part. The entrance part, or let me just say the entrance, yes, from the other side. Now, if you look at this, this is 10 feet by 8 by 9. You have 2 windows here. One window will be for, I think, This window is for the secretary, while this window is for my wife, okay? So it's 3 feet square, 3 feet square, and then you have 4 feet above the ground level. Now, this is a top view, okay? We did this drawing when we were in school, 200 level engineering, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a front view. This is mostly what an engineer will use. But however, let me quickly explain what we have here. So this is the top view, top from the top. So you have a door here, you have a door here, you have a door here, you have a door here. So you have 4 doors. And then you have a window here, a window here, a window here. You have another window here, you have another window here. That's 4 windows. So this will be segmented into 2. Here is my wife's office. This is my own, this is the secretary's office. And then what you have here is the ICT center. ICT center where you have computer training, you can do photocopy, you can do printing, you can do any business that has to do with printing here. And then here you have my office. Yes, the MD himself. That's my office that's going to be here, just away from these 2. And then just at the back, if you see, there's a little construction here with about 2 feet entrance where I can store books and store valuable materials within the store. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how the project work looks like, and we're about to start, and we pray that God see us through in this construction progress or process, so to say. So help us God. Thank you. One now. All right, still on the job. The first thing is clearing, which is what I'm doing right now. So after we are done with the clearing of this particular portion, as soon as we're done with that, we do the marking. After the marking, the next thing we are going to do is the digging. Of course, we're going to use our wood to do the digging. After the digging, we start setting blocks. And of course, while setting the blocks, we have to follow some procedures outlined on my template, you know. So once that setting is complete, when we get to the lintel level, we have to pause. By the time we are done with the lintel, we set above the lintel level, and then roof. After the roofing stage, we can now do the padding. After the padding, we can now go ahead and install the doors, the windows, and every installable. And then from there, boom, we have the job complete. All right, don't wonder how we managed to know all this. I've been doing Le Bouquet for quite some time in my life, and I usually do that not just because of the money. I do that to learn the procedures involving construction. So this is the right time for me to apply that knowledge acquired over the years in constructing my own project. All right, so back to the job. It's quite a stressful job anyway. Boom. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we are done with the digging. The foundation is complete. I'm a little bit tired, so it's really stressful, my dear. All right, let me quickly show you around. So have a look. This is just how the foundation looks like, and by the time we are done with this first stage, the next thing that will have to be done here is setting. And once we are done with the setting process, of course, the next part is roofing. The setting will take quite a long period of time. All right, let me try and mix these bags of cement and make them ready for setting. Boom. So right away we are done with the foundation laying. Let me take you down. So this is the first stage, casting on the foundation. So after casting on the foundation, if you check all parts of the foundation, they have been casted already. So the quantity of sand you need is about 13 or 15 buckets per unit bag of cement. And when you are done with that, you spread along your foundation before you now start what we call the setting process. Boom. Do not undermine the job of an ordinary rope in the process of laying your foundation to have your job straight. It helps you enhance a high level of accuracy. I hope you can see the rope over there. All right, that's a beautiful one. So we are almost done with the first stage of block setting, and let's see what the future holds.